among the biggest explosions of radio energy in the entire universe. The energy in radio frequencies is so great that eventually the entire universe will be aware of this one explosion.
Betelgeuse, a celestial wonder in the night sky, is a captivating red supergiant in the Orion constellation. This star has fascinated stargazers for generations, and recent findings by physicist Michio Kaku have raised concerns that Betelgeuse may have finally undergone a supernova explosion. The implications of such an event are profound, not only for our understanding of stellar life cycles and the forces shaping the universe, but also for humanity. Let's delve into the remarkable story of Betelgeuse. Imagine gazing at the night sky and spotting a brilliant star in the Orion constellation. This star is none other than Betelgeuse, also known as Alpha Orionis. Orion, a prominent constellation, holds a special place in astronomy. Positioned at around 5 hours 30 minutes right ascension and 0 declination, named after the legendary Greek hunter in mythology. Among its bright stars, Betelgeuse shines as the 11th brightest globally, boasting a magnitude of 0.6. It is the brightest star in Orion, akin to a shining beacon on the hunter's shoulder. Betelgeuse derives its name from the Arabic Bat al-Jawza, signifying the giant's shoulder. So when you gaze at this star, you are indeed looking at the giant's shoulder in the sky. In 1603, astronomer Johann Bayer bestowed upon this star the name Alpha Orionis, denoting its status as the brightest star in the Orion constellation. Interestingly, despite the recognition of Rigel as the brightest star in Orion today, Betelgeuse proudly retains its name. Betelgeuse is truly gigantic, with a mass approximately 764 times greater than our Sun. To put it into perspective, if the Sun were a small marble, Betelgeuse would be a massive basketball. Determining Betelgeuse's distance from our Sun has been somewhat challenging, with estimates ranging from 500 to 600 light-years, a vast cosmic distance. Nonetheless, Betelgeuse's brightness shines through, making it one of the few stars accessible for close examination by scientists using telescopes on Earth and in space. Images captured by these telescopes reveal Betelgeuse's distinct appearance, which differs significantly from our Sun's. Instead of a smooth and uniform sphere of extremely hot plasma, Betelgeuse appears as a collection of uneven boiling gas pockets, some of which are substantial, resembling small stars. Notably, large upwellings of hot material rise from Betelgeuse's core to its surface, akin to cosmic spring cleaning. One of these upwellings is so vast that traveling at the speed of light would take 7.5 years to traverse it. These materials subsequently cool and return to the star's interior, akin to the Sun's cycle, but on a much larger and more intense scale, almost as if the Sun were on steroids. This cosmic cleansing process is termed surface mass ejection, or SME, akin to the Sun's coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, in that they both expel materials from the star's outer layers. However, the causes behind these ejections stem from differing internal structures and processes. Despite being a mere 10 million years old, a fraction of our Sun's age, Betelgeuse has already depleted the hydrogen fuel in its core, placing it in the later stages of its life cycle, transitioning into the red giant phase. During this phase, Betelgeuse employs helium to generate carbon through fusion processes. Betelgeuse's rapid journey can be attributed to its initial substantial mass at birth, originating as a blue-white O-type star, the most massive category of hydrogen-burning main sequence stars. In the world of stars, size correlates with brightness and heat intensity, meaning larger stars shine brighter and burn hotter, but also consume hydrogen faster, hastening the transition to the red giant phase. Betelgeuse's surface could have reached temperatures of up to 89,500 degrees Fahrenheit, in stark contrast to the Sun's comparatively lukewarm temperature of 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the lower surface temperature, Betelgeuse outshines the Sun by a remarkable 7,500 to 14,000 times. In 1836, astronomer and mathematician Sir John Herschel observed fluctuations in Betelgeuse's brightness, marking the star as a semi-regular variable star with periodic brightness changes, typically following a 400-day cycle and a more extended approximately 5-year cycle. However, in 2019, Betelgeuse's behavior deviated from its usual pattern, experiencing a significant dimming event known as the Great Dimming, causing the star to become 2.5 times fainter than previous observations. The cause was attributed to a massive ejection of material from the star's interior, creating a vast dust cloud that obscured our direct view. While the dust cloud has dispersed, Betelgeuse hasn't fully returned to its prior state, and its 400-day brightness cycle has now shortened to just 200 days, leading to speculations about an imminent supernova explosion. A supernova explosion is a spectacular cosmic event where a star consumes its remaining fuel, causing its core to collapse into a black hole while expelling its outer layers at astonishing speeds, resulting in a brilliant display visible from Earth. Given Betelgeuse's proximity of just 650 light-years, such an explosion would produce a gleaming display in our sky, visible for several weeks. The last time a neighboring star underwent a supernova was in 1604, and while supernova explosions are relatively common in the universe, most are too distant to be seen without high-powered telescopes. Betelgeuse's eventual supernova is a testament to the breathtaking diversity of the universe, promising a celestial spectacle that will captivate Earth's observers. But when might this explosion occur? Astronomers have proposed various timelines, with some suggesting it could happen within the next 100,000 years, considered soon in cosmic terms. However, a recent study by Hideyuki Sayo and colleagues from Tohoku University in Japan suggests that Betelgeuse may be in a more advanced stage of its evolution, closer to exploding than previously believed, possibly within the next 1,000 years. Nonetheless, opinions on this conclusion vary, with some arguing that stars like Betelgeuse can endure for more than 10 million years. Astronomers also monitor Betelgeuse's color changes to gain insights into its evolution, as shifts in color can indicate rapid evolution and potentially foreshadow a supernova. While the exact timing remains uncertain, experts assure that there will be ample forewarning if Betelgeuse does go supernova during our lifetimes, with instruments detecting signals such as neutrinos or gravitational waves produced by the explosion, providing a warning as much as a day in advance. While Betelgeuse's eventual supernova is an exciting prospect, it poses no significant threat to human life on Earth. Supernovas release cosmic rays, which can penetrate Earth's magnetic shield, but at the expected distance of Betelgeuse, any such effects would be relatively minor. Nevertheless, the event would introduce intriguing consequences, including disruptions to the behavior of animals that rely on the Moon for navigation and challenges for astronomers in conducting observations. Betelgeuse, the iconic red supergiant in the Orion constellation, holds the promise of an extraordinary cosmic event in the form of a supernova. While the exact timing remains uncertain, humanity will have the opportunity to witness this breathtaking celestial spectacle. Although it won't pose a significant threat, it will undoubtedly captivate the world of astronomy and provide valuable insights into the universe's grandeur and complexity. What are your thoughts on Betelgeuse and its eventual supernova explosion? Do you find the mysteries of the universe, like these cosmic events, intriguing and awe-inspiring? Share your insights and opinions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates about lunar discoveries and the future of space exploration. Remember, as we venture into the universe, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Keep looking up.